Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope everyone's staying safe during this coronavirus pandemic. And today we are going to be doing a Holochain USDT analysis. So as you guys can see, I have the Holochain chart right over here, and you can see that we're in a long-term rising wedge. We've been in this rising wedge since about February 2019. We've peaked around May, end of May 2019, and right now we have an interesting pattern that I want to talk about that started around March 15th, right around there. And if we scroll back here, we can see that this is a very important zone. So as you can see over here, price went to this zone, made some sort of W pattern. I'll show you guys what I mean. Kind of did something like this, made a W. When that happens, price goes right up. And from there, we had a large increase that went up around 325%. And then we had a dump from there, which went right around very close to this zone once again. And from there, we had a very large increase of around 500%. So right now we have actually went right underneath that zone, but price is using that zone as resistance. And we want to see a move above this zone in order to confirm further upwards movements, which could potentially lead us out of this rising wedge. This falling wedge, which would be a very bullish sign. I also want to see us move above the 50 moving average. In my most recent video, I talk about why this indicator is so important. If we go down to a lower time frame, like the 12-hour, I want to show you guys the significance of this pattern right over here. This thing. All right. So now if we look at the Bitcoin chart, I'm going to show you guys this pattern on another chart. You can see we had pretty much this exact same pattern over here. As you can see, you get like this triangular pattern right over here. And then you have like some sort of arc. And once that breaks upwards, you have a very strong bullish move up. That took us from our bottom in January 2019, around $3,200, all the way up to our top in June 2019, end of June, to around 14K. So that right there, if that holds and that breaks upwards, you can see a very large bullish movement that can go for a couple of months on an altcoin like Holochain. You guys may not be able to see it as well on here. Maybe if I go down to a lower time frame, let's try the 4-hour. That looks a bit better. You can see that we have pretty much the exact same pattern of that triangle right there. And let's draw that arc. You can see the arc right here. And what we want to see is we want to see a move above this arc, above the top of the arc. So we see that move up. That to me would signal that we're going to have a bullish altcoin market that lasts for probably a couple of months. If you guys want to see more info about that, check out my altcoin market cap dominance video. I'm about to actually make that right after this. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that. Give this video a like. And if you guys want to see more analysis like this, check out the Telegram down below. Make sure to join while it's still free. Link is down there. Take care, guys.